Are you in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, or any restricted country that struggle to join Outlier AI? You see people abroad, they cash out in dollars training AI around $20 to $50 an hour. But your own country, Outlier AI is not supported. So today I'm going to show you the realest and the simplest method that does not require proxy or any ID, nor VPN, or any ban to access Outlier AI. So this one is something about networking blueprint and how to connect with people that stay in the US or the UK, either Canada or any part of the Europe that the Outlier AI is being supported, and how to make them create an account or give you an already made account for you to work, and you both split money at the end of the day or at end of the taxing period or whatever agreements you're gonna have with them. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to sign up Outlier AI from Nigeria and how to pass the verification without stress, and also build international network and start earning dollars remotely. And if you're serious about this remote jobs of a thing or anything side hustle, this channel Tech Freelance Hub teaches you how to sign up on other platforms that pay you to train AI and other full-time remote job opportunities. So if you're serious about remote jobs and side hustle that's going to change your life, then smash the like button and watch this very video to the end, because I'm going to share the realest and the simplest method to start right away wherever you are in any of the restricted countries that you're staying. On the comment section, somebody was asking what Outlier AI is all about. I've been hearing and seeing the trends on Twitter. So Outlier AI is a platform from Scale AI where they pay experts to train artificial intelligence. You have to review AI responses, write prompts, code, math, law, anything that you know how to do depending on your skills. That is also listed on their website that matches what you know. There's sometimes no degree is required, but sharp brain and good English is an advantage because people earn $15 to $50 an hour depending on the project, and flexible work from home. And it's a flexible work from home thing. Either you're staying in any part of Nigeria, Abuja, Lagos, or even in your village, provided you have access to light and internet. But the problem here now is that Nigeria and many other African countries are being restricted because of location issues, sometimes verification and ID check. So they require government IDs from supported countries, phone numbers and location match. So, but I've got the solution to these problems, and this is all about human networking for the person that are not tech savvy and are not familiar with the tech tricks I've shared previously. In the channel, maybe using these real IDs of real person that's being gotten from whatever source they get them from, like I not mentioned in this video. I think this should be also the should I say easiest method, in the sense that if you get it right, is the best way. A lot of you trying to network with persons and trying to build relationship that are good. But so if this one is something that is easy for you, I've shared videos like that previously in my channel, and also for the persons in the channel membership, they also have access to the tools and everything on how this one works. And this is mostly recommended because this real is going to work if you've got the required tools to set for the setup and all of the things, using a static restriction shell, proxies and all of it. But using this method is not very common to persons, in the sense that the whole need the fake life and ID to pass the verification. It's not something everybody does, because some person does not have the tools that are required, because you need to get a good PC that could run this software, edit face life, and also have a reliable source for the IDs, and not just one ID, because you're going to need multiple IDs so that you're going to try them out and know the ones that are going to pull out. I think this is more easier method because you don't have to be networking with anybody. You just have to sit and try things out on your own. But for the person that cannot afford this, then watch and see how you're going to network. For persons who doesn't like socializing, but this is it. Now is the golden method, which is something everyone can afford to do, which is networking and building partnership model. So first thing to do is build your network abroad. Target Nigerians and Africans who are staying abroad, either in the US, in the UK, in the Canada, Germany, etc., or even locals of those countries that need extra income but got no time. There are Africans everywhere, and there are persons staying there are persons that come from the restricted countries who are living abroad. So how to find them? First one is for you to join join Facebook groups, Nigerians in diaspora, Outlier AI community, remote AI jobs, Africans in the USA. Then another thing for you to do is go to Twitter. You can go to Twitter and search for. You can go both to Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Reddit. There are a lot of persons that are tweeting about remote jobs online, persons tweeting about Outlier and all of it. You can also go to Instagram, also go to TikTok and use the hashtags to search. You can use hashtags like Outlier AI, hashtags like remote jobs online, remote jobs Nigeria, make money online, and you can also make posts. You can also post about Outlier AI on all of these platforms. Make posts that offers value, like how I help persons with AI tags from Nigeria, all of it. It's easier for me because I've got a YouTube channel and a lot of persons are messaging me both on mails, on Telegram, WhatsApp, and all of it. So that's how to do this thing. And when you get these persons, you can get them either from the comment section. You can also get them from either they message you directly. So offer a win-win value. You get their account access either via AnyDesk or TeamViewer or UltraViewer. Then you help them set it up or they set it up themselves. You control the screen or control them via video call or something. Then you do the tax. You do the tax, handle the exams and all of it. So you handle the payouts and everything. Then you guys are going to split like 60-40, 70-30, 50-50 or whatever that works best for the both of you or that are participating in it. The truth is that many of these guys staying abroad, they don't have updates. Many of them staying abroad, they don't have updates. They are just busy with their 9 to 5, but they want, they want money. Some of them want passive income. So you have to provide that labor and the energy. Then you guys are going to split the earnings 50-50 or split it between yourselves, no matter the percentage you are concurring on. You can send them, you can be the one to even DM them. Some of them will come to the comment section and say they are looking for taxes. So you can DM them just the same way this person staying in Canada and UK are also sending me DMs. You can just write them, hey brother, I'm in Nigeria. I know how to do the AI training job very well. You can just make the account on Outlier, verify with your ID. I'm going to handle the exams and the tax. We split earnings, no risk for you and no risk for me. We split earnings. So all you just gotta do is to build this trust gradual. Start with small projects on the Outlier. Then if you're somebody that is versatile with all these other platforms, just like I've shared all these platforms here in my channel, you can start from there, making accounts in all these platforms. So this method, it works very well. It works for both restricted and non-restricted countries. People living in the non-restricted countries can help you work, make this account. So if you're staying in the restricted country, this is a way you get persons that stays in unrestricted countries and you make the accounts. And even if you are in a supported country but want multiple streams of income, want multiple accounts, you can do the same things too. And you get your person stay in the same country there with you in an approved country. Like if you're staying in the US but you want to be doing remote job, you can make the accounts for the number of persons, for all the persons that stay in the same country with you, and you'll be handling the accounts. Or you can even assign it to taxes from Nigeria or in other African countries or other countries that are being restricted. You can assign them to them via AnyDesk or TravelWare, and they work and you make more money. Everybody earns, and that's how you stay. If you really did watch my previous videos, you know that creating this account is not something very difficult. So either you do it yourself or your partner, the one staying in the country that is approved, is going to register it, or either both of you do it together while on video call and your screen is being shared to you. Then what you're going to do is to visit the outlierai.com, then sign up with their real details. Same details on their ID that they're going to be using for the verification. Either you make a new email so that you won't have to be logging in their personal emails or something. And the phone number of the country that they're staying in. Then they complete the profile, upload resume, and the LinkedIn if needed. Or you just create a new LinkedIn account that you're going to link, because LinkedIn must be there. Then during the verification, they have to upload their own physical document, either the driver's license or passport or state ID. Then do the biometric live check. There are no proxies that you're going to be using, because either they are doing it themselves or you are being logged in via AnyDesk or UltraViewer or a TeamViewer or something. Just make sure your location matches what is on their ID. Then after the approval, either if they were doing it themselves, after the approval, then they make sure they install AnyDesk or any similar remote access tool. Then they're going to give you permission when needed. Then you log in and do the task from your own end without having to use proxies. Because what I want you to avoid is using proxies. Then make sure you do the task as always. You understand? Make sure you do the task as always, so that the task not going to be reduced. So, because if you are doing the task always and you are doing this, what is it called? You are offering quality tasks. You're not doing jargons. You're going to always be having tasks, complete hours. An important thing I want you to know is that one Outlier account per person, and don't abuse it by logging in multiple accounts in one PC, else you're going to terminate everything that you've worked for, because Outlier always monitor for suspicious activities. So for you to stay in Nigeria, being proficient in English is already an advantage, because you can easily participate in the generalist tasks without having to apply for special skills or something. So that's your own benefit. So after the verification, they're going to give you the assessments, which is not something difficult. It's something that you can easily do, which is English, logic, and subject specific. So prepare well, practice the critical thinking, and many other free resources on YouTube, and also got the answers for the generalist assessment and all the ETA assessment and voice mission, and also got the coding and programming answers. So once you pick the project that matches your skill and strength, then I think the quality over quantity and accurate something, that's part of the generalist assessment though, but it's not something difficult to write. I think that one they usually always change the answers, so just make sure you study the guidelines properly. Then tips for success I'm going to give you is make sure you have good internet, also have a quiet environment that you'll be able to turn in the consistent hours, because Nigerians are always known for their shine, and spirit of resilience. So make sure you do maximum hours and quality tasks. That's very, very important. And if you want to scale your remote job business, you can teach others and build a team around it. And when you want to withdraw, if you want to make your withdrawals, you can use your Wise account or Payoneer or either stable coins or whichever way. Just make sure you guys are in good terms. The person that made the account that offer the verification and the IDs. And also a quick warning I'm going to give you as someone that's been in the business for a long time is always respect platform terms and account sharing. And account sharing can get you banned, like logging in multiple accounts on one PC, like I've said before. So this networking is a legitimate collaboration, no hacking, and it's not something too risky. And it is a supported alternative for a person that are staying in the restricted countries like Nigeria. So this is something very, very legitimate, and some people use residential proxies or friend setups, but it's risky and it goes against the community guidelines. So don't try using proxies. Always try to use AnyDesk or Ultra Viewer.